time experiencing a British man.
Did you say good morning?
Good morning.
What else? What else?
Did you say good evening, governor?
Good evening, governor.
Hey! Keep going, man. Get to the end of the plane. All right, jump. Come on, jump. 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 Jump out. What the hell I'm jumping from?
Go that way, go that way, go that way, go that way, go that way.
Why is he crap shot?
Because he wants to scare me more. She's lost. Where's Pumpkin? Okay.
His timing's way off.
You cannot spit at people. You cannot spit at people. Now. Now. Go.
Man, be honest, man. How you gonna protect this motherfucker like that, man? How?
Not against the law to put this on the side of your house and film your neighbors like into their home.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
There's no law against that, so.
Got it.
And the good thing is, the footage, it goes right to your phone. It just uploads straight to your phone.
That's cool.
But you didn't hear it from me.
Got it. Roger. I was curious.
Grijp eens een paar topjes, maar dit eten.
Way high. Throw it high. Throw it high. Yay! Set it down. It's hot pin. Yes! Yes! Bon appetito! Bitch!
Excuse me, can I have someone take the lock off?
Just eating dinner together. She stole my sausage. What? Yeah. That's what evenings in Australia look like. Right? Right, buddy? Yeah.
Alright, let's see it. Get out.
No.
No, Natalie, get the fuck out.
No.
Let's see. Oh my god! Natalie! Natalie!
You did this.
Natalie!
You did what?
Are you fucking kidding me? What is wrong?
Drive better.
All you can eat Korean barbecue. Yes! I told you! They didn't believe me.
Where are we getting off?
Go on, get up, man.
Get up!
No, it's fine. I got you. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. You didn't see that. You didn't see any of that.
You didn't see anything.
Okay, let's pretend.
Dude, that's...
Look at that. That's huge.
Dude, that is so cool. Interesting.
How beautiful.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, he's going to you, Mike.
Hi.
Dude, that's so cool. He's
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, what is that? Ooh.
Yummy! Yummy, yummy. Show me what you use your dishwasher for, Mom.
Love this. Look at this.
This is
her
my
filing cabinet.
Yeah, it's my storage.
She's got all of her stuff
love
organized in
it.
here. Look at this. She's got some dry flowers, some homeopathics.
My seat cabinet.
That is a very nice filing cabinet.
I love it.
You guys are a rip-off! Have a nice day. Have fun with my $160.
Have a nice day. God bless you.
Yeah, God ain't got nothing to do with it.
Yeah, you need God.
I know.
I'm gonna pray for you.
What?
I'm gonna pray for you.
Don't you pray for me.
Have a nice day.
I don't need prayers, pal.
Man, David.
Sorry.
Soaring.
Flying.
Not a sound.